Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. This saves errors later. First, make sure the order is released and all operations are technically complete so you can close without rollback. Next, confirm cost postings and assign the settlement rule so accounting won't block closure. Once done, open IW32 or IW38 for list view and pull up the maintenance order number. You're now in the right screen to perform status changes and check for outstanding confirmations or defects. Now you execute the core steps. You should post any remaining confirmations using CO11N and ensure goods movements or GRs are recorded so inventory and cost lines are accurate. Then set the order to TICO, change operation and header status to technical complete. This prevents further time confirmations. After TICO, run settlement via KO88 or the order settlement monitor to transfer costs to the correct receiver. Make sure no errors appear in the settlement log before moving on. Finish by formally closing the order. Set header status to closed so it's excluded from open order reports. Verify all documents and logs, settlement, workflow, and material movements to ensure nothing is pending. If you hit errors, troubleshoot by checking error messages, reviewing long text or change logs, and rerunning settlement or reversing the last confirmation if it caused mismatched costs. One key tip: if settlement fails, correct the cost object and resubmit KO88 rather than skipping the settlement step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.